Okay, well, give me your arm. You have to cut your arm off.
No.
Why?
Because it's hard.
Here, look. Can't cut it off. Have to cut your arm.
No.
You want it on or off?
Off.
Okay, give me your arm.
No, this one.
I have to cut your arm off.
No.
Okay, here.
No.
No?
It hurt.
It's not gonna hurt.
Yes. It's gonna hurt.
Rosie, we have to get your arm off.
No.
Yes.
No.
Do you want to cut your arm off? Here, you do it.
No.
You do it. See, it doesn't work. You need to cut your arm.
No. No. Like this.
You're done? You're done?
Mommy.
Mommy?